Most people think getting a salon smooth Brazilian at home is impossible, or at least incredibly messy. But with the right technique, it can be much easier than you think. In this guide, I'll walk you through every step of at-home sugaring, from preparing your skin to mastering the technique professionals use. You'll learn how to get the perfect sugar paste consistency, apply it correctly, and use the flick technique to help reduce breakage and discomfort. Stay until the end, because I'll also explain one of the biggest mistakes beginners make and how to avoid it for smoother, healthier looking skin. First, let's talk about why so many people prefer sugaring. Unlike traditional wax, sugar paste mainly adheres to the hair rather than the surface of the skin. That can make the process feel gentler for many people and may help reduce redness and irritation, especially in sensitive areas. Before you begin, make sure the hair is about the length of a grain of rice. If it's too short, the sugar paste won't grip effectively. Clean and completely dry the area first, then apply a light dusting of powder. This helps absorb moisture so the sugar paste grips the hair more effectively. Now apply the sugar paste against the direction of hair growth. Press and mold it a few times so it wraps around the hair before removing it. Next, flick the sugar paste off in the direction of hair growth using a quick, controlled motion. This technique helps minimize hair breakage. Always keep the skin taut while removing the sugar paste. This is one of the most important techniques for making the process more comfortable. If the sugar paste becomes too soft or sticky, don't worry. Because it's water soluble, you can simply rinse it away with warm water and start again. For the next 24 hours, avoid hot showers, heavy exercise, tight clothing, and anything that could further irritate freshly sugared skin. Wait at least 48 hours before gently exfoliating the area. Starting your aftercare routine at the right time can help reduce the chance of ingrown hairs and keep your skin feeling smooth. You now have the essential steps to begin sugaring at home with confidence. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more beauty guides, and let me know in the comments what topic you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.